again, this is Justin Greer with Greer Racing Parts and Fuel. We're going to show you a quick video on how to replace a tail shaft seal on a 3-speed transmission. This will apply to Burts, Brins, so forth. The same process. All you need really is a flathead screwdriver and a hammer and a little bit of patience, and this usually goes pretty simply. You just have to pry a little bit, and it usually just comes right on out. These are notorious for leaking, especially in your open modifieds, when you knock the seal out of it with the drive shaft. This is the original seal, so it's just more of a pain. Than what they usually are. There it comes. There we go. Seal just comes right out. Like I said, just need a little bit of patience. The next catch, just to clean out the excess seal that's left. Your seal will go just flush like that. Now the catch is, just take your time. You don't want to go too fast because you'll egg the seal. So you just take it nice and slow. Work, tap around. If you're going too fast, it'll get egged and get stuck, and then you'll tear the seal. I've seen a lot of guys do that over the years. You just egg the seal, then it won't go in, and then you have a tail shaft leak. There you go, guys. That's how you change a tail shaft seal.